be knowing about what maths actually is. We are doing maths from class 1. You can see it is there. This subject maths is there. Like we are speaking Hindi language, we are learning that also. English language we are speaking when we are going out. In our homes we are not speaking. But maths is an important part of our life from morning till night. Your mama asks you to get up in the morning, get up. It is 6 o'clock, you have to get ready for going to school. So time has started. In maths we learn time also. Then shapes are there around us. So many shapes. Then mummy says, today I am going to give you 2 toffees, 2 chocolates. You will give one to you will be giving one to your sister or brother. So give and take. We are learning give and take. We have learned basic operations in maths. Basic mathematics. There is a hidden secret which I am going to share with you. How we can learn maths in a very good way. You know, we have learned addition. If we will be adding hard work and practice, add means you have to give. You are adding something. And subtraction means you are taking out something. So in our lives we are adding hard work and practice to learn maths. Now what we have to subtract? We have to subtract laziness. Children are lethargic and lazy that they will not do with their hands. The more and more we practice, the more and more we learn. And we have to subtract laziness. Subtraction we have learned. Subtraction means to take out something. Now we will be learning in the second term multiplication. Multiplication means to increase the thing. When we multiply the two numbers, the value increases. We say 5 times 2 is 10 times. This is called times, multiply. So what we are doing? When we will be doing multiplication, we will be multiplying our knowledge and learning. So if we will be practicing, we will be multiplying our knowledge and learning. Then when we learn, we feel happy. We are joyful. So next operation is division. What we can do? This division, in division what we are doing, we are distributing the things equally. That is called division. So when we will learn, we will be able to divide the joy of our learning. So this is the beauty of these mathematical operations. Maths is a very interesting subject. We all can score very well in maths. So children, I will ask you not to be scared of maths, but follow these rules and learn and enjoy. Okay children, goodbye.